Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Meta Edit, and in today's video I will show you how to extract sound from your video in Meta Edit. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your audio tab right here. So click on audio tab, and the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and then what you need to do is to simply click on import right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on extract from video. Go ahead and select the video file. Then go ahead and click on this check mark. Importing audio. After a successful import, go ahead and click on done right here. And the audio will be successfully imported right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use your edit apps, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.